Welcome back. You're watching Round 1 action in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021, where the scores are Montego Bay Christian Academy on 6 points and Mandeville Primary on 2 points. It's time now for Section 2, the Junior Challenge Face-Off. In this section, a member of each team will face off with a member of the opposite team in math, science, English language, and social studies. Teams have already selected the persons for each face-off and have been reminded of the rules. So, here we go with Face-Off 1. It's in the category of mathematics, and it's between Alex Lee of Montego Bay Christian Academy up against Aaliyah Ford of Mandeville Primary. Alex, we get started with you. What is the simple interest on $3,000 invested at a rate of 6% for 2 years? Question passes to Aaliyah. Want to try?
No, thank you.
It's $360. Alex, if A equals 2, B equals 4, what is A squared plus B cubed?
$68.
That's right. What is 186 multiplied by 4?
$744.
That's correct. An article is bought for $400 and sold at a profit of 75%. What's the selling price?
$700.
That's correct. What's the perimeter of a triangle with sides measuring 29 centimeters, 16 centimeters, and 8 centimeters respectively?
$53 centimeters.
That is correct. Aaliyah, we're now over to you. What's the simple interest on $1,800 invested at a rate of 4% for 2 years? Question passes. Alex, want to try?
Yes, miss. $144.
That is correct. Aaliyah, if x equals 6, y equals 3, what's x cubed plus y squared?
$63.
That's incorrect. Alex, would you like to try?
Yes, miss. $225.
That is correct. Aaliyah, what is 167 multiplied by 7?
$1,169.
That is right. Aaliyah, if an article is bought for $600 and sold at a profit of 35%, what's the selling price? Question passes to you, Alex. Want to try?
Yes, miss. $810.
That is correct. Aaliyah, what's the perimeter of a triangle with sides measuring 37 centimeters, 19 centimeters, and 17 centimeters respectively? Question passes to you, Alex.
Yes, miss. 73 centimeters.
Is correct. And that actually brings us to our next face-off, and it's in the category of science. It's between the captain of Montego Bay Christian Academy, Tia Chambers. Captain Tia is up against Jamaica Josephs of Mandeville Primary. Captain Tia, the small bone known as the hammer or malleus is found in which specific part of the human ear?
The isosceles.
That's incorrect. Jamaica, want to try?
The middle ear.
That is correct. Captain, what's the name for the part of a plant that covers the flower before it's opened?
The petal.
That's incorrect. Jamaica, want to try?
No,
It's
miss.
the sepal. Captain, give a single word for heat energy transmitted in waves.
Radiation.
That's right. What's the name for the space that an objective takes up? That an object takes up.
Mass.
That's incorrect. Jamaica, want to try?
Matter.
That's also incorrect. It's volume. Captain, what's the name of materials which keep their shape and are hard to squash?
Solid.
That's correct. Jamaica, it's your time. What's another name for the small bone known as the incus in the middle ear?
Hammer.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
Yes, please. Stirrup.
That's incorrect as well. It's the anvil. Jamaica, what's the name for the male part of a flower?
Stamen.
That's right. Give a single word for electricity produced by using moving water.
Hydroelectricity.
That's correct. By what process does water stored in a leaf pass into the air as vapor?
Transpiration.
That's right. What in the environment do sense organs respond to?
Stimuli.
Or stimulus. That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off. It's in the category of English language. And from Montego Bay Christian Academy, we have Asia Africa Smith up against Lacory Barnes of Mandeville Primary. Asia Africa, form a noun from the verb to abduct.
Abduction.
Or abductor, that's right. Spell ridiculous.
Rediculous.
That's incorrect. Lacory, want to try?
Yes, miss. Ridiculous.
That is correct. Age Africa, does the word conniving mean special, crafty, or honest?
Crafty.
That's right. What's the superlative form of the word late?
Lately.
That's incorrect. Lacory?
Yes, miss. Most late.
That's also incorrect. It's latest. Age Africa, according to the proverb, what is the mother of invention? Question passes to Lacory.
Yes, miss. Necessity.
Is correct. Lacory, we're still with you. Form a noun from the verb to amuse. Question passes to Age Africa. Want to try?
No, thank you.
It's amusement or amuso. Lacory, spell phantom.
Phantom.
Is correct. Does the word genuflect mean to bow to, lean on, or stand tall?
Stand tall.
That's incorrect. Age Africa, want to try?
To bow to.
Is correct. Lacory, what is the comparative form of the word gladly?
More gladly.
Is correct. According to the proverb, who must be given his due? Age Africa, question passes to you.
No, thank you.
It's the devil. Bringing us now into our final face-off. It's in the category of social studies. And it's between Casey and Cook of Montego Bay Christian Academy. Casey and Cook is up against Avril Manning, the captain of Mandeville Primary. Casey Ann, Jamaica is located at 18 degrees north and how many degrees west on the map?
77 degrees west.
That's right. In which Jamaican parish is the famous 7 Mile Beach?
St. Anne.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
No, miss.
It's Westmoreland. Kasian, what is known as the total money value of goods produced and service provided in a country? Captain, want to try?
No, miss.
It's the gross domestic product, or GDP. Kasian, crab and callaloo and pilau is the national dish of which country in the Caribbean?
Trinidad and Tobago.
Is correct. At how many degrees near the equator is the Tropic of Capricorn located?
23.5 degrees south.
That is correct. Captain, now over to you. The location of a place based on a fixed point on the earth is known as what? Kasian, question passes.
No, thank you.
Absolute position or an absolute location. Captain, in which Jamaican parish are the Somerset Falls?
St. Anne,
That's incorrect. Kasian, want to try?
No, thank
It's
you.
in Portland. Captain, what's the collective name given to all the people of a country?
population,
That's correct. Pepper pot is the national dish of which country in the Caribbean?
Guyana,
That's right. At how many degrees near the equator is the Arctic Circle located?
66 degrees north,
That's incorrect. Kasian, want to try?
Yes, please. 66.5 degrees north.
66.5 degrees is correct. And that brings us to the end of our final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are Montego Bay Christian Academy on 22 points and Mandeville Primary on 12 points. Now stay with us. The final challenge is up next.